नमस्कार सभी को another video in the same topic journal. This video I will be discussing about special transactions relating to goods. Here goods I will be dealing with purchases account because you see in every situation all the goods which has been put under different conditions, it is all relating with the purchases, not with the sales. Let's see special transactions relating to goods. First case, drawings in goods. If in the question is specifically mentioned that proprietor has withdrawn goods, the entry which we have to pass, drawings account debited to purchases account. Drawing account represents if the proprietor withdraws goods for the personal use. There, for the personal use, drawing account is opened and your credit side will be purchases account because here goods are taken out for the personal use. Second, if in question it is mentioned goods given away as charity, what entry should be passed? The entry should be charity account debited to purchases account. Charity here actually represents the expense. So this charity therefore is debited to purchases account. Third, goods distributed as free samples. So these free samples will be debited against the account advertisement expenses. Advertisement expenses account debited to purchases account. Narration being distributed as free samples. Then next fourth, loss of goods by theft or loss by fire. If due to some uncertain conditions or some unfortunate conditions, fire or theft happened in the warehouse, at that time what entry you have to pass to show that loss? In that case, if in the question it is mentioned loss of goods by theft, then you have to write loss by theft account debited. If it is mentioned in the question loss by fire, there you have to write loss by fire account debit. Remember, losses and expenses always debited as they belongs to the nominal account. Therefore we are following the rules of nominal account. Loss by theft account debited or loss by fire account debited depends on the question. What is asked in the question, you will write accordingly. Credit will be to purchases account because here our purchases or our goods has been lost. So when goods are reduced or it is lost, always remember to credit purchases account. In all the four cases, drawings, charity, free samples and loss, we have taken purchases in the credit side. That represents that your goods is lost in some or the other way, or it is given as a charity, or it is an expenses, or proprietor has taken out for his personal use. In all the cases, remember to credit purchases account. Now relating to the fourth point, there may be some cases. Right side there cases I have mentioned. As you can see, in case of insured goods, sometimes what happen, the proprietor takes insurance. So if the goods are insured, in that case, and if fire or theft has happened, in that case what entry should be passed? Loss should be represented by loss by fire or loss by theft. That entry you have to pass. Other than that, what extra entry you have to pass? Look into the right side top, insurance company or insurance claim account debited to loss by theft or loss by fire. This entry is passed because if the goods are insured, then you will be claiming your loss from the insurance company. So keeping in that insurance company account debited or insurance claim account debited to loss by theft or loss by fire account. Say for if full amount of claim is received from the insurance company, usually what happens, insurance companies send their official persons, they evaluate the loss and accordingly they'll decide how much amount how much amount is to be repaid or reimbursed for the loss. Say for if full amount is received, in that case, since bank account debited reason, here bank or check is coming in, cash is coming in, right? So in that case cash account or bank account should be debited to insurance company. Because this insurance company is the giver. Insurance company here is a representing the personal account. Since they are the giver, therefore they are credited. If the insurance company does not, if this situation may also come, sometimes insurance company do not admit full claim. In that case, whatever the amount they are ready to pay, bank account will be debited with that amount. Whatever amount they are ready to pay, Then the amount which is not been paid, that means the loss amount, that loss will be transferred to the profit and loss account to insurance company. Why insurance company is credited? The same reason, insurance company representing the personal account, and the rule of personal account says receiver debited, giver credited. Here insurance company is the giver. So this is how the entry goes relating to goods.